Good morning. Welcome to the unboxing of Huion KAMVAS 22. I am at Maharashtra International Institute of Research and Studies in Faridabad, NCR. I am going to unbox this wonderful product and showcase what does the package contain. I am right now inside the BVA laboratory or the Bachelor of Visual Arts laboratory. Let's get going. So this is how the box is when we are opening it. I'm going to take out the contents. I'm going to open this box, which is the outside box, right now. And so once the box is open, this is what it contains. Behold, this is KAMVAS 22 Pro. So this is how the box looks like. You can see it's KAMVAS, and over here is KAMVAS Pro 22. This is the first unboxing of this creative pen display. First and foremost, dusting cloth and the drivers, right? I'll put this aside. Then this is a wonderful surprise. This is a drawing glove from Huion. This is a very good and it's a very wonderful addition over here. Then let's start focus on the peripherals. And this is the first battery, or rather battery-less pen from Huion. If you can see, Huion is written over here. It's one of the first kinds. It doesn't need charging, unlike its predecessor 221. And this is the pen holder. This is how the pen holder looks like, and I can, while working, keep the pen over here like this, or I can place it like this, in both ways. Now this pen, or rather pen stand, comes with 10 additional nibs, right? I'll take out one nib for you to showcase. That's the nib I can replace at any given point of time, right? Then this is your USB to D cable. This is your power adapter. Let me open both of these. That's your power adapter. Further, this is the cable that, or rather the universal plug that comes with it. This is the universal plug. Then we have an HDMI to HDMI cable. HDMI to HDMI cable. Then we also have a VGA cable. And this is the stand on which the KAMVAS Pro 22 will rest. This is how it looks. I'll show you more of this in a bit. And this is the set of 4 screws that come for the stand to be put along with this screwdriver. Pretty innovative. And now for the Eureka moment. I'm going to lift this box, put this aside, and this is how your first glimpse of the product comes along. That's how the product looks like. Right? Now I'm going to bring it out of the protection. And this is your KAMVAS Pro 22. Right? So I'm going to put it back. First let me get this. And I'm going to put it back into the case so that I can now start putting in the stem. Now we are good to go, and we are going to put this Huion KAMVAS 22 onto the computer and power it on. So this is the moment of truth. I am unpeeling the protective screen, and that's how the Huion looks right now. The KAMVAS 22. I'm going to power it on, and this is your logo. This is a device which is now sRSG color gamut enabled, which is going to show you true colors as you are going to go ahead and progress with its correction. So right now, if you see, the two monitors are not displaying the right thing, but that's just about in a jiffy. I can go ahead and fix the display preferences, and immediately I'll have Autodesk Sketchbook Pro with Huion KAMVAS 22 Pro. And if I show you this pen again and I start drawing, this is my first latency test. And it looks pretty good to me. I can also go ahead, start my Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator. I can start working with it. But before I do that, I would rather go ahead on the internet and I will download the drivers. I can zoom in. See, I can zoom in into this logo like that. I can pan the shortcuts, and I can put in my type tool, example like this. I can choose my selection tool like this. My path is getting selected. I can then go ahead, choose the direct selection tool, selecting all, and I can choose various functions as mapped. So this was my unboxing for Huion KAMVAS Pro 22. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy this product as it comes into the market. We are here from Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies, Faridabad, from the BVA or Bachelor of Visual Arts Laboratory. Thank you so much for watching.